Hello, SolidWorks users. I'm going to demonstrate making a part. So this part is a section which you include in your um, assessment task one for my subject. So to start this, I make a simple sketch on the front plane, and I've already captured the handout. This gives me the dimension. So that is in clipboard. I bring here and have this one pasted. So that would help me to find out the dimensions easier. So my strategy for making that part is I start from a reference point at the center of this radius 20. And maybe it's a good idea to make two coordinate axes like uh, just maybe a few lines as a reference. So this one is that corner. I will add a fillet later on to it, but let's just add a point which is going to be this one. So this point, let's add a smart dimension, the horizontal side between here and there, that is 55. So let's add 55 to this one, 55. And vertically, that point is 12 plus 38, which is 50. So I had a smart dimension vertical between this one and this. Or let's do it again. Smart dimension from this point to here. I can type 50 or I can type 38 plus 12. Both give me the same result. Now I located that point. The next thing is the second point, which is 12 mil below that. So let's put a second point here. And this point with the upper point, they are vertically together. So let's select this one, hold the shift, select the second one. And now I make them vertical. That means 2 points are aligned vertically. And smart dimensions between this point and that point is 12. Okay, now I have this second point. And also I want the distance between the top and bottom line to be 120. Add a smart dimension between that one and this one, 120. And the upper line, this is not a construction line, this is a center line. I changed that line to center line. And now I'm ready to add a radius of 55 from that reference point to here. And then I would make um, an arc of 112 elsewhere. 112 and freezing the radius, that is to freeze the radius. And now let's grab the center of this arc, bring that, this arc has to be tangent to this and tangent to both these lines. So roughly we place it here and then adding the relationship, select that one, select this one, make them tangent and approve, select the smaller circle and the larger circle, make them tangent. All right, so that is um, yeah, I think I made a mistake there. The circle should not be conditioned like that. Just wait. I'm getting rid of these conditions. Before that, let me add a dimension of 130 to this line. Dimension of 130 to fix the right hand side of the point. Okay. And now from here we add a circle with a radius of 20, and let's approve and freeze that diameter. Approve. And now let me just have a horizontal line starting from this quarter, and the end doesn't matter as long as this one is horizontal. And now this circle, the large circle, it has to be tangent to that line. So holding this circle, holding this line, make them tangent. So this is tangent now. And now this circle, selected, shift, hold shift, the second circle, let's make them. So what is this tangent? Let me just, um, yeah, that circle and this circle, select them together. First circle selected, hold shift, second circle selected, and make them tangent. Now, this is tangent from here. You have a small portion of this arc, anything else is not wanted. So let's trim that one. Trim, I just need this one goes straight up, a little bit of the arc, and anything else that is not needed. Trim, that being trimmed, and I think this is not needed. That is not needed. That's not needed. And also that is not required. Okay. Now this little corner has a radius of 20. One way of doing that is by adding a fillet. I put a fillet radius of 20, and then either by selecting these two lines or by selecting that apex, that's gonna round off that corner to that radius. Okay, now I think we are in a position to draw that radius 12 circle from that center. So let's add a circle starting from this with a radius of 12, and just adding a smart dimension to that to freeze it. The next thing is I need an arc with a radius of 95 to be tangent to upper and lower circle. We make a circle with a radius of 95, add a smart dimension, and next bring that one manually near to the position. And now we need to add a relationship between this circle and hold the shift, the second circle, make them tangent at the top. Oops. So that circle, for some reason, when I try to drop it here, it just been automatically relation to here. I don't need that relation. Okay, so let's now see that circle should be free. If that's not, maybe I just got some unwanted relationship being added to that. Yeah, now this is free. I bring that roughly, make sure you're not adding any unwanted relationship, right? So here, for example, that is indicating a vertical relation. I don't want that. So let me move that a little bit to the right. And now that is free. It is free to float, no relationship being implied. And by that one being selected, I just select the top circle and add a tangent relationship between them. That green thing is here. Now do the same thing between this circle, holding the shift, this circle, adding a tangent. Yep, that is what we wanted. And um, I'll be here. Yeah, with that 55, if this is This is being tangent to the top, tangent to this one, and that's all you need. So the next thing is you make a circle radius of 20, and that 20, you freeze the diameter, and now just bring that one manually near the position. Just bring it manually here, and then you have to make this one tangent to here and tangent at the bottom. So here, hold this one, hold the shift, this circle, make them tangent, and approve. Now add the relationship between this one and that line, make them tangent. So this is what you do to position the center of the right hand side bottom circle. So from this point, I think everything else is just to do the trim. I do the trim, and with that one, you don't want this part, don't want this part, and don't want that part. This one. Now I think the shape is almost finished. That shape is finished. Let's approve the shape. Go to the pre-selecting that one. Go to the feature. Add 5 millimeter thickness. So now this part, all it requires is just to define the material. And now you add a material to that one, which is aluminum alloy 60,000 series 6061. Apply, close. Now you can estimate the mass of this part by just going to the tool and evaluate mass properties. So this part is 149 grams, and these are all the area surface properties, very useful for other applications. So I'll save this one, figure 3, and then from here you can go to the drawing, pick a table block, A4 size is okay. I'll bring it, drop this one there, and then adding the center marks makes the dimensioning easier. Okay, now this shape is ready to add the smart dimensions, and once you finish, you simply go to the print, page preview, make a PDF, and these PDF are submitted with your native file. I hope that recording helps everyone. Just bye for